you can touch some of the stuff. We are by the Doge or whatever palace. This is like probably the main tourist area here. Oh, even the shade feels amazing. I think. Here we go. Welcome to today's vlog. It's going to be a little bit different. I did a tour around Rome, Tuscany, Florence, now where am I? Venice. And I didn't really do a vlog style for each, but I'm just going to do an overview of the trip, tips and tricks I found were helpful, and things of that nature. So I've been to Italy. This is my third trip here. Venice, I've been here before as well. All I'm doing today, since I only have one full day here, is glass making, and then I'm going to go just see the big spots like the cathedrals and stuff like that, give you an overview, give some tips and tricks. I also booked a ticket to a orchestra concert tonight, Vaporetto Fourth Seasons. I heard it's really good, and it's at one of the big churches, old churches. So I'm actually going to go to the orchestra tonight and check that out. I enjoy doing those things. So yeah, that's the agenda for the day. A lot of walking. We are starting the day off in the glass factory area of Venice in Murano. Look, you can get workshops. They were already sold out. I've done them before. Highly suggest doing a workshop. They're a lot of fun, 1 to 3 hours. They do cost a little bit of money. They're also a lot of free little 5-minute walkthrough tours as well, and tons of glass items that you can buy. Now getting over here from my hotel, which is right by the train station, I took A.2 water bus over here. I got an all-day pass. My all-day pass is $25. It covers me all day, all over the city. I suggest doing it. It is the summertime. It is hot. I like walking, but I don't want to walk that much. Plus, a lot of the places you can't walk to. It is a city on water. So get the all-day pass. If not, it's like $9 each way. So it's definitely worth getting the pass. So let's keep walking. Alright, so this is where I am coming for my little tour. It's only $5. Some places say you need to go online and get it for. I literally walked in and gave him $5. It's only a 10 or 15 minute tour just to show you glass making and stuff like that. But it is fun, and I think it's highly worth the $5. They do a tour every about 30 minutes. Check online for the scheduling, but Alright, so I just finished my glass tour. Again, it was only 10-15 minutes. I highly recommend it though, $5. I like that it's short, especially for families. You know, kids have a short attention span. It's really cool. Show you how to do it. It's hot in there. Then they have a little factory tour, and definitely worth it. Now I Googled Maps, and I've got to catch a water bus because I'm going to the other side of Venice. Going to be a long little ride, but it's going to put me to the main area of all the main attractions. Go see it, take some pictures, do some video, and then head to the museum. When it comes to cell phone service, I have Verizon and I have Travel Pass, but I think it caps me at like 2 gigs or something like that. So I went ahead and purchased a SIM. I'm here for, I don't know, 10, 15 days. The eSIM was about $35, and it's unlimited data and stuff like that. Easy to download. So yeah, I would suggest that because I use a lot of data, especially with my maps and everything. When it comes to booking tours, I like to use Get Your Guide. You know, honestly, all of these websites are about the same. I just seemed to find Get Your Guide a little bit cheaper sometimes. I'll put the link below, so if you end up using it, I would like you could use my link. They do not pay me to shout them out, but I do get a small percentage if you use my link, so that'd be great. But I use Get Your Guide. I've used it I've used it everywhere. Great reviews, and if you're wondering which tours to do, look at the reviews and look at the ratings. If it's under a 4, don't do it. All right, I like to stick to 4.5 and up if possible, but I also like to read the reviews, because a lot of the bad reviews are like just people being ignorant. All right, know what you're getting yourself into. I'm really hot. I'm really tired already. Alright, so from that main area we were at earlier, I'm now walking to the museum. It was about a 20-minute water bus ride, or 20-minute walk. So you get to go through all the main parts, the main canal bridge where everybody's taking a picture. There's also a bunch of other places to take pictures, so I wouldn't just get stuck on that one.
You want something to drink?
Yeah, I'm walking. I'm only about 10 minutes away from the Museum of Natural History. I'm hoping it's got air conditioning, and even the shade feels amazing. I think it's $15 a person, and let's go in and check it out. So it was $15, not crowded at all, and somewhat air conditioned. Not 100% air conditioned, but definitely better than the heat. First room, pretty cool. Another room, and look, not crowded at all. So if you're trying to get away from the crowds, it might be a place. Got a Congo room and an Africa room. It's pretty wild. All right, I'm wrapping up my museum tour. I was here about an hour. I didn't stop a lot. My overall review, the reviews are really good online. Tons of reviews, like thousands of reviews. If you're going to compare this to like American Museum of Natural Histories, I'd say maybe this a quarter of the size, maybe. It was good for what you're getting. Out of the heat, not crowded, and there is a lot of stuff. If you're into archaeology, you're into just nature and stuff, they have a lot of displays and everything. Ranking it compared to other ones, I'll just say it's mid-grade. But again, I'm not disappointed I went. I wouldn't come again just because I've already seen it, but I would recommend if you are hot in the middle of the day, you need something to do, an hour, get over here and check it out. Now we're walking out. We've got some gondola riders. There we go. Going to go back to the hotel and change, rest, and get ready for the orchestra tonight. So if you like this, hit that subscribe button and catch me on the next one. Make sure you go to my Italy playlist in my channel, and I'll have all my Italy videos there. So thanks for stopping by.